This is Michael Kinsler and Qtell Wholesale Limited from Ireland, franchise partner for James Marley. And this is part 3 of our video demonstrations on how to work your shopping cart admin for franchise partners. Now, in part 1 and 2 I showed you how to build a category subcategory. Now in part 3 I'm going to show you how to build or how to add a product to your website. Now, if you've just bought the website from Qtellwebdesign.ie, you won't have any products on your website. You'll just be faced with this. This is your e-commerce shopping cart, and what you need to do is you need to add products. So first of all, you have your products. The best way to do it, I find, is have your products already, the pictures already loaded. Now, as you can see, if I click on this little box here, I'll just save. Sorry, I already have them open here. This is one product I've already got, and I've already got the pictures there. Now, as you can see, I know what this product is. You're working with your own products. You can have as many pictures as you want. Normally around 9 or 10 is quite good. 1 is quite good. No matter which way you want it. This is where it gets quite difficult, so you just need to pay attention now and just show it's done. So first of all, you just want to go up to categories, categories and products, and it says here add a new product, second one down. So just click on that little button there. Just wait for the page to go. Now here we go. Here's the product information that you'll be adding in. Again, all you need to do is you don't need to go near these for now at the moment. So you've got all these little boys here. The only one you need to go into is secondary images and product information. Okay, so that's basically about the height of it when you start off. So now we need to select a category. So basically you've got 2 boxes here, and what you can do is with your products is spread them out over the website. So what we do is we'll put it into the main category first. So we know we're starting off with Z. So we'll put it into Z. That could be called anything of what your product details is. And then if you put your finger on the control button, which is the bottom left hand corner depending on your computer, and what you can do is then you can select all different categories. So I can actually select every category that's in there. If I didn't have my finger on it, I can only select one at a time. And it actually says it there, hold down the control key to select multiple categories. So we can select a subcategory for them to go into. So I'm going to put down not selected for now. So then we come up with a product ID. This would be our first one to come up. Don't need the moment here on that. So we're coming up to product ID. So we're going to call it test 1. Now what you do is when you're adding your products, I find that whoever you're buying the products from, you're better off using initials from theirs and just put it down as 1. That's the first. So the product name will be whatever you want to call it. Just say test demo wholesale. So that's the name of our product. So you got the meta keywords in here again. Like shown before, you just enter whatever you want there, or you can just copy that. If you've got enough information here, you can just copy that and paste. So you've got all these features as well, and a description. You can actually do whatever you want there as well. Pardon me. Now, so this information is how Google will see you. So if you've got your category set up correctly, you can just, for quickness, you just enter in your product information in there. Or you can enter up a whole rank of keywords. It's up to yourself. Product manufacturer, this is what you can go into. You can actually assign your manufacturer. So we're not going to assign a manufacturer at this stage. The priority, we're not going to change that. We don't have to priority that. But if you do change that, what will happen is it will actually come up on your home page higher than the other products. Okay, so now here we go. So now we're down to the next stage. Now we're putting in the price. Product properties. So say last week we had it for $119.99. But this week now we've just come across a whole rake of liquidation equipment, and we want to sell it a bit lower. So we put 129.99. This will be showing up. I'll show you how this works later on. So wholesale price level, no need to put anything into that. This is only a fairly basic way of getting around your website. Obviously once you come much more attuned to it, you can actually put in stuff where I haven't put them in. Now if you want to take them out and then just put in call for price, if you tick them, leave them actually out of it, and tick call for price, that means on your web page it will just come up with call for price. Okay, so it says here select taxes class. So it's general. We've already set the tax up for you. So your VAT tax, this is where it's changed. Don't mind this next box. Do you want to have free shipping or not? And this here, normally the shipping is normally on myself and franchise wholesale partners with Marley's Wholesale. What happens is we normally do free shipping and add the cost into the product with the shipping. So instead of the client having to pay for the actual product plus all the shipping, and then before they know it, they end up with a massive bill, what we do is we just say free shipping. That's what we put down there. Now we move on down then to minimum maximum quantity in order. So now we can change that. If I want to change, I've only got one product, so when the customer goes to buy online, he can only buy one. If I change that to say 10, he can buy 10. He has to buy 10 of them. Okay, so that's most important that you have that as one product in there. Then the availability then will go in here. So if I have 1,000 of them, I put in 1,000. If I have 20, I put in 20. So the customer can buy then up to, he knows that you have 1 to 20 or 1 to 1,000. Okay, he can buy at that price. But obviously with bulk buying, people want to spend, they just buy the one product. But it allows the customer to change it into 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 1,000 at that price. Okay, that's the price they're looking at, 129.99. That's the sale price. Okay, mark the product as a hot deal. You want to do that. Show the product on the home page. Yes, you want to do that. This will be your very first product, or you already have products up in there, depending on which website or which franchise deal you took. This will be either you put your own products up, or we can actually have them arranged for you, have your products uploaded for you. Okay, this is Michael Kinsler here from Qtell Wholesale Limited, franchise partners with Marley's Wholesale, and the next stage I'll show you how to work the pictures for your product. Okay, thank you.